Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you download any Instagram picture using inspect element. So when you have to download any Instagram pictures using the inspect element, then you need to use a web browser or your PC. So on the web address bar, open up and then type in www.instagram.com and log into your account. Once you enter your account to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So you could see this is how it's gonna look like. Now, so first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and look at the image first thing first. Before that, you see this is the one. After which, what I'm gonna do is right click on my mouse, and you could see there is no such thing as save as or any other way to download it. You just go ahead to the inspect at the bottom of the page, and you could see the file in the right hand side corner. After that, you want to go to the sources, and sure, you just want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and then locate the image that is the one. After which, I'm just gonna go ahead and right click on my mouse and then save it to my device. And that's the way you could download any pictures using inspect element. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.